Making coffee using pre-ground coffee. Never add pre-ground coffee when the machine is off. Never use more than one level measure, or it could dirty the inside of the machine or block the funnel. If you use pre-ground coffee, you can only make 1 cup of coffee at a time. Press the aroma selection button until pre-ground is displayed. Open the beans container lid, then open and raise the pre-ground coffee funnel lid. Make sure the funnel is not blocked, then add 1 level measure of pre-ground coffee. Place a cup under the coffee spouts. Press the 1 cup button. Preparation begins. The amount of coffee selected is displayed, together with a progress bar which gradually fills as preparation progresses.